Hey guys! So right now, I am packing up my room. As you guys know, I'm making the move to Toronto for a couple months so I can be with Dakota. I don't have a lot of room, so we're trying to be minimal. Okay, this doesn't really look that minimal, but for like 4 months, we're trying to make like a versatile, what am I saying?
Like a capsule wardrobe.
Yeah, capsule-y. So this is what we have so far, just like all my t-shirts and just some other things. Just going through the closet. So I'm wearing a different dress. I actually packed the one that I was wearing. And I have a lot of stuff that just accumulated. And I'm basically done packing. I'm super excited because it's only Wednesday and I don't leave until Saturday. I'm going to Austin to meet Dakota there because he has a bye week. And we're gonna be there for just like 3 days, I think. And then on Saturday, we are taking the flight to Toronto. I feel like I packed pretty like diverse. Like I got a little bit of everything. And like a lot of this stuff, I'm actually gonna have my mom fly up and bring with her when she visits me, because she probably will come up for a game or something. So she'll bring me like my fall stuff, and then like everything over here I'll take now. And then here are all my shoes that I'm gonna bring. It seems like a lot, I feel like, but your girl's gotta look cute, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh, why is my hair doing this? I'm gonna sit on the floor. You guys will die when you see our closet. It's seriously so small because we like live in the city. It's this big, and it would actually not be that bad for one person, but to try and cram like 2, it's just a lot. But crazy stuff has been happening. Today we actually got the paperwork to sign for our venue because we're getting married. And that was super exciting. So we've been trying to like get our guest list together and everything, just because there's a limit of 200 people at this venue, which is a lot. But for us, like, not really for me, but Dakota has a really big family. So like half of his like portion of like guests like are just his family to begin with. So it's gonna be kind of tight having like 200. So we're trying to like get our list all situated to make sure that we can actually like get married at this venue, because you can't go over the limit. And yeah, a lot of other things have happened. So I went dress shopping, and I think I'll show you guys like the footage someday, like after I get married, because it's really cute. And I just went with my mom, and I wasn't planning to get a dress at all. We were just going to like try on styles just to like see what I liked. And I literally was like, okay, I found the dress. Like I was so shocked because I didn't think that at all. And yeah, so I think I found my dress. I haven't like bought it or anything, but I'm like pretty sure because there's nothing about it that I don't like. I'm actually gonna show you guys this really cute clip of one of my best friends, Liz, and I was showing her the footage, and she guessed which one, and she was like getting so emotional. It was so cute.
Oh my god, Blaire. So cute. I know. Oh my gosh.
But I think my hair looks so bad. Like, could you like pep up or something? I'm super excited though. I think I'll do some sort of like little like dress try on with like all my friends and family, like just the girls, and we can have a little girls day. I just don't know when that's gonna be because I'm gonna be in Canada for the next like 4 months. So yeah, it's crazy. I'm just trying to get my whole life together. I'm so sorry you guys, I've been MIA. Like seriously, I feel really bad. This is just so bad. I'm taking my hair down. Okay. I've really been working on trying to be more consistent on my Instagram and getting a lot of content, so when I go to Toronto it's a little bit easier because like of the move and everything. So I'm really sorry I've been MIA, and then I went to California for like 10 days, so that doesn't help either. But yeah, please just comment down below anything you guys want to see. I'm going to be in this like little transition period, so I probably won't do like any crazy DIYs, but you guys should go watch the one that I did if you're going into college or something, because I think it would be really helpful, or just like cute room decor ideas. So much happening right now. I'm excited. It's kind of scary, but it's gonna be fun just to live in a new place, and I finally get to be with Dakota, so I'm super excited and I'm just pumped. But this is always like the most stressful part, like when you're having to get everything together, but you want to like enjoy the last couple days, but that's what I'm doing. And I'm really excited too because on Friday, I leave Saturday, today's Wednesday. On Friday, I have a photo shoot with kaeraz, and I think that's how you say it. That's what I say, but if you guys have seen the shirts that I've been promoting on my Instagram. They're like the cutest shirts ever. They're graphic tees. If you guys like watch my videos, you know that like I always wear graphic tees. Like that's what I live in. I'm like all about comfort, and their shirts are really just like soft, really cute and good quality. This is not sponsored by any means. I just really like their stuff. So I thought I would share with you, and I'm really excited. So that's gonna be on Friday. And then I'm getting my hair did, and I'm super stoked because I want to go like way blonder. I should have just put my camera on a tripod. After all this, my arm is like really starting to hurt. I'm just gonna put on my backpack. What else is new? I'm just doing like a little chit chat, like keeping up with Blaire. Oop, don't see up my dress. Ah! Okay, well, that's not gonna work, so I guess I'll just hold it. But I think I'm gonna vlog like me going to Toronto. I think that'll be fun just to like look back on, and just to have, so you guys can like follow along with me, because I feel like you guys are so a part of this journey. I've been super active on Instagram, like keeping you guys up to date on what's going on, like when I'm moving and stuff. So I hope you guys can kind of like come on this journey with me. I think that's everything for now. I probably should have like put on some chapstick or like done something to myself before I sat down and started filming this. But you know, we're just keeping it real here on this channel. So yeah. Also, what I'm most, if I'm being honest, I'm gonna go back down to the floor. What I'm most stressed about moving wise is like bringing all my camera stuff. Like I'm really stressed about that. You don't realize like how heavy everything gets, and how just like the chargers, and all of a sudden you have like a backpack full of electronics, and it's just like stressful. And then I'm like, I don't think I can bring my lights because I just don't have enough room. I'm trying to like bring this all in like one suitcase, because seriously, like we don't have storage. Our apartment is sick, by the way. Oh my gosh, you guys, I seriously can't wait to show you guys. I wanted to update you guys because I applied for a couple jobs. I've heard back from some of them. Some of them didn't work out with like timing, and it's hard because I'm only gonna be there for 4 months. So with hiring, I need like something short term, and I'm like an American, so it's hard because I'm not from like Canada, although I did get a work permit, so that obviously helps. But yeah, so I applied for a couple jobs. I'm in like contact with one of them, going back and forth. So hopefully something with them works out. Yeah, it's kind of hard trying to find a job there, just because, you know, I'm like, hey, can I get a job? I'm only gonna be here through November, but like, will you hire me? But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on that. And that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this little like, I was gonna say get ready with me, this little like chit chat follow up. This will probably be like a I'm moving, catching up type thing. I don't know what I'm even saying. My arm is seriously feels like it's shaking because it's like out this whole time. Well, that is it. Sorry, I should have put this on a tripod. Oh my gosh, I could have had this on my dresser the entire time, like this. Oh, that wouldn't have worked. It's sick. I want to show you guys some of the really cute pieces that I've picked up recently that I'm bringing to Toronto, and I'm so excited because they're so cute. And I haven't gone shopping for like nice things in a while, so I'm really pumped. You can get this right now from, what is it, Nordstrom Rack and TJ Maxx, and it's seriously amazing. It was like 30 bucks. And if you guys are obsessed with like things that actually function and are cute, this is the backpack for you. It can fit my 15-inch laptop right here, which is so helpful to me because I don't want to bring the case around everywhere, so it's protected and it's safe. And then there's another huge pocket, a little baby guy for just like phones in here. Oh, you can't really tell. In this little pocket, and then this one's huge with a lot of storage, and then even more here, and then there's one that goes around here. Not a promo, I just wanted to tell you guys because I'm in love with my backpack. I'm so excited for fall because I got some like really cute sweaters. This one was from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I thrifted this one for $6 at Goodwill, and it's so cute. I can't wait to wear it. And then I picked up a scarf from Madewell, and I feel like so trendy. I've never worn one of these, but I'm so excited to wear it around my neck and like my hair and stuff. I got these platformed Converse, and they're so chic and amazing, and they kind of like elongate your legs, which is so cool, and they're just good old Chucks, so I really like them. Okay, I wanted to show you guys these, and these are I was gonna say Dr. Scholl's. They're called Soft. I'm not sure if that's like the brand. Yeah, it must be. They're by the company called Soft, and they look like this, and they have a little stretchy part in the middle, and they're so comfortable. They have like this built-in arch right here, if you can see that. which is really nice because I like need arch support, and for walking in the city they're just really nice. But if you are looking for like a black slip-on, I would highly recommend these. I've been on the hunt for these ever since like everyone started wearing just like the Steve Madden slip-ons, but I had a pair and I thought they were the most uncomfortable thing ever, so I'm super excited for those. And I can't help but show you guys these cheetah mules. Oh my god, are these not the cutest things in the entire world? I feel like cheetah's coming back. Do you guys agree? Like, I feel like cheetah definitely went out for a hot sec and it's fully back in full force. And those I got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and those have been like my favorite thing. Pro tip also, I've never realized, I really need to change up this filming situation. I've never realized how beneficial it is to break in your shoes before you wear them. Since I've been packing, I've just been like walking around in these ones and these ones, and I've just been breaking them in, and it's literally so helpful because then you don't have to like break them in and like be in pain while you're like having fun, you know? And a pro tip is to just like go like this a million times, and it really breaks them in. Normally I would have like cringed at that with new shoes, but it really just like makes them ready to go. Yeah. I think that's it for this video. I'm gonna go move all my clothes into the dining room so I can pack from there, and then I can like sit on my bed and go to bed tonight. Let me know if you guys like these kinds of videos and I'm just like talking to you guys, because I like them. I'm much more like natural. If I'm vlogging or like just with my vlog camera just chilling, it's so easy for me to talk to like the camera and stuff. But when I have to put the camera, when I have to use my DSLR camera and like sit in a chair, it's just kind of scary. Like I don't like it as much. I don't feel as myself. I feel like I have to be more like serious. But when I can just like hold my camera or like put it up and like sit on the floor or like sit on my bed, but like you put me in a chair, like it really freaks me out. That is it for now. Talk to you guys later. So for all my fall sweaters, because my sweaters are so bulky, we're using these space bags and we're just gonna vacuum out all the air. And I wanted to show you guys how much how much space you'll save. I'm wearing the same outfit, you guys. I wore this yesterday because I packed all my clothes, so it's a new day. Same dress. Is it actually like flashing on?
No, you have to turn the button on first.
Oh.
You have to turn the
Okay,
power
so
on.
I'm gonna put it up and then turn it on.
Baby's scared. He says, Mama, what is that big thing?
Sorry. Okay. Champ, no. It's okay. It's okay. No! I was gonna come undone and then like explode my suitcase.
Nope.
Really? Because I figure it's gonna expand so much. Can't forget the camera gear. Seriously, camera gear is really hard to pack. You feel me? Very hard. Guys, good morning. It is 8:30 and right now I'm going to a photo shoot with kaeraz, that shirt company I do a lot with on my Instagram. And I'm really excited because I finally get to meet the owner and like the girl that designs all the shirts, and I'm really excited. At the photo shoot, this is what I'm wearing. Here's some girls and here's the place. Oh! Dating is hard, kids. Woo! Oh god. Yes, Michelle. Next outfit, we are in the arcade and I'm wearing this mimosa shirt with these bottoms and my rollerblades, and then I have pink socks. Shoot happening and some more shoot. Some girls over there. I forgot when I got home that I took out my memory card out of my camera and I forgot to put it back in, so now I'm vlogging on my phone. But I loved her. And I'm leaving to go get my hair done. I'm leaving tomorrow. I don't know if I already told you guys that. But I'm getting some highlights, like a partial, I think. And I'm hoping that it gets like super blonde, because that's personally how I like it the best. I like it looking kind of like sun-kissed. So yeah, I'm gonna tell her like heavy on the lightning. Does it look blonder? It should.